Welcome back to this latest construction update at Corner House Residences. This is picking up everything that's happened during the course of May. Most of our activity is just continuing on our concrete pours through our basements. The last sort of week or so of May has been a bit wet, and we want to give a special mention and thanks to our subbies that have continued to work hard through those wet periods. Armour, who are our form workers, Belwire, who are our steel fixers, and Road to Roof, who are our concreters. So the guys have been huddling under a little tent while it was raining, and then when the rain broke, they came back out and continued on, which is, fabulous from our point of view. We're down in the northern section of basement 2 at the moment. So this was our first pour. The sequence that we're running with is that when the concrete's cured and we're ready to strip out the formwork, the guys take the formwork out and then they do what they call back propping, which is they'll put the acro props in. That supports the slab, and we keep at least 2 levels of back propping at all times. So these props won't be removed until we get up to level 1, and that will follow in sequence throughout the project. We're standing at the on B1 at the moment. This is section 4. It's being concrete pour tomorrow. What they're doing at the moment is just going through and clearing out the wire tie cut-offs that are in between the Rio. It's not that scientific. Kelvin's got a stick with a magnet on it, and he basically just goes through and collects all of the metal. Its purpose is essentially so that if we don't do it, the wire stays within the slab and it shows through on the soffit on the underside. So when we go through, clear it out, we get a nice clean soffit, which just helps for basement presentation. The other interesting part about the slab preparation is the network of cast-in conduit that sort of snakes through the slab. That is essentially all of the lights, smoke detectors that are interconnected through there, and we cast it in slab so that we don't see all of the wires externally on the underside of the feet. We can't go up into the formwork prep at ground floor. Formworkers have control of that at the moment, but what we can see here is the start of the Rio for the ground to basement 1 ramp. Thanks everyone for watching. That's it for this month's update. Apart from that little patch of wet weather, which they said the guys worked through really well for us. We did lose a few days, but in the scheme of things, we think we can catch that up at some point. So everything's going pretty well, and we're looking forward to ground floor. There's a couple of major milestones coming up in the near-term months, and we should have plenty to show you in upcoming updates. So until then, bye for now, keep well, bye.